Hear that noise? I'm gonna show you how I fix it using jelly petroleum. So how many hinges do we have here? We're dealing with 3 hinges. This one on the bottom, the center one, and then the top one. So this is what I'm gonna be using to get the job done. The hammer, a screwdriver, a pretty small one, and then the petroleum.
And you want to have around a rag or paper towel to get rid of the excess jelly petroleum.
Alright, so we're gonna start the process. I'm gonna be using a flat screwdriver, a very small one, just enough to be able to tap the pin out from the hinge, because you're not gonna have enough room to move it, so you may want to do it with this side of the hammer. Alright? Got the first pin out. Again, I'm gonna be using the Vaseline here. I'm gonna use this, that way I don't dip it back in there with the greasy stuff. So I'm gonna be using it here in the towel, and just gonna kind of make sure we get it all around it. So I'm just gonna insert it here, back exactly, and with the hammer gently tap it down. So what I'll do is I'll repeat it again just to make sure, right? It got it all. So I put it around here too. Maybe some of it will squeeze in, right? So we're gonna put some more here on the front. Here, yes. And we'll put it here. I'll get a feel for it when I don't use a lot of effort to tap it out, like right now. So this one is done. Wipe it off. Yeah, so I'm gonna repeat the same process for the second one, the center one. Yep, so we're ready for the third one. Again, exactly the same thing we're gonna be doing. This one I feel like had a little tension, so probably that one was a problem too. So the pin's out. And that one tilted just a little bit because that's the top one. There's a lot of weight on this door, just so you know. And that's my way of doing it. The idea is just to get it on here, right? The door moved a little bit, so in order to align it, I'm just gonna have to push the door a little bit, right? And get it aligned, insert it, it went in pretty quickly. Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time. That's it. I'm gonna have to realign the door just to insert the pin. Yep. Pretty good. Tap it in. Now the moment of truth is upon us. I'm going to open and close the door to see if I hear that squeaking noise. I don't hear anything, do you? And that's it. Using jelly petroleum to resolve your squeaking noise problem.